Hello guys, this is OnePlus 7 Pro. Go beyond speed, the fastest phone on the planet with 5G capacity. Okay, we are going to unbox it now. Here we go. OnePlus 7 Pro, red and white box. It always comes with a red and white box. OnePlus 7 Pro. Yeah. Okay, here we go. With the fastest speed, we can have 12 gig RAM and 256 ROM as described at the back of the phone. Yours can be different, fine. With 90 Hz. Okay, I'm going to open it now. Just watch. Okay, here we go. The fastest phone on the planet now. Comparing to other phones like iPhones and all that, this is one of the fastest phone ever. The OnePlus Pro. Okay, this is it. With some accessories in it. This is the case, a transparent case that you can use. Soon as you set up your phone, you have your case already, so you are good to go. With the screen protector, the manual, and the pin to remove the SIM and to insert SIM, and some stickers and all that. Yes, OnePlus 7 Pro. Never settle. Okay, so now we are going to pick it up from the box. Never settle. OnePlus 7 Pro. Okay, that is the back with dual camera. And one thing about this phone, okay, let's talk about the charger. There is a fast speed charger now with a Type-C cable, and then with a adapter to assist you to plug it in your socket. That's the adapter to help you to plug, and one of the fast charge ever. That is the Type-C cable that comes with the one side is USB and then one side is Type-C. Let's see how it is. I'm going to peel it out now. Okay, look at it. So one side is USB, one side is Type-C. Okay, that is the phone ever on the planet. Never settle. OnePlus 7 Pro. Look at the way it is. That's the back and the front. Very nice, shining. And then this is where you insert the SIM, the Type-C charger. Okay, and again, a very smooth and slick. That is the face camera. It comes and go in when needed. Thank you.